welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this approved used Volkswagen Sharan. This is the 2 litre diesel SEL DSG, finished in the stunning Indium Grey metallic paint. You've got the lovely alloy wheels as well, and it is in a really nice condition inside and out. You've got rear tinted windows as well, so it just gives that extra bit of privacy to anyone travelling in the rear. And round to the back you can see just how spacious the inside of the car is, so it's an ideal car for all the family. Inside the boot you can see you can fold the rear 2 seats down if you need a larger boot space, but there is quite a decent sized boot as well. You have got the addition of the electric sliding doors as well, so if you hold down the button on the key fob, they'll slide, so you can do both driver side and passenger side as well, so it's great for those days when you've got your hands full. Inside you've got the integrated child seat on the second row. Really easy to put down as well. If you want to close it, you just need to do that and click it in. And you've got the easy slide seat to access the rear too as well. So you just pull that forward. And as you can see, loads of room in there as well, so no one will be arguing that they're squished. You've also got the trays on the backs of the seats as well. And then you've got the button to close. So we'll get on in and we'll show you the inside. So inside you've got your touchscreen display. You've got your app connect, so you can connect your phone with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay or MirrorLink, depending on what device you have. And you've also got your DAB radio for your music too. Underneath you've got your climate control, and you've got the winter pack, so you've got the heated front seats as well, so it's perfect for those chilly winter mornings. And underneath you've got some buttons so you can open the electric sliding doors from the inside, and you've got your front and rear parking sensors, so it's perfect to keep your lovely car nice and safe. Also it is automatic, so you've got your automatic gear stick here, electronic parking brake with auto hold, and you've got your 2 cup holders as well. Onto your dash, you've got the lovely glossy black running through and onto the door as well. And you've got the electric panoramic sunroof that really floods light into the car. It's perfect on a lovely sunny day like today. You've also got the electric sun blind, so if you hold the forward arrow you can close that, and it's really quick. You can set it to whatever level you want, so if you don't want it to close all the way, you can just stop it halfway. And I'll just give you a closer look at the seats. They're lovely Alcantara and leather. There's no marks on any of the seats, they're in a really lovely condition. Onto your steering wheel, you've got your instrument cluster there. You have got adaptive cruise as well, so it's perfect for motorway driving. Auto headlights, and you've got your heated door mirrors as well, and all your electric window controls. So I really hope you like the car. If you are interested or you have any questions, please just give us a call. Thank you.